Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna teach you how to download batch anime using WF Downloader. First, download your WF Downloader app on your browser. Search for WF Download. Click the first link. After you download, go to the website that you will use. I prefer Kiss Anime. Search for the anime you want to download. For example, Kaguya-sama. Copy the URL. Again, copy the URL of the page site of the link you want to download, and then add URL to WF Downloader app. Paste. You can configure every resolution that you want and select folder on where do you want to save the file. Click confirm. As you can see, it is finding download links. So we have here lots of errors that we will have. So search again. If it happen again, press cancel. Go to task and add batch download manual. Click the crawler mode and click the user login. Then put the site that you want to search, kissanime.ru. Loading page. If this happens, try to do it again. Retry. Open WF Downloader. Option clear cache. And then open again the add batch download manual. Then crawler mode, next, and then click the user login again. Search for the site that you are using. This is the second step. And if ever it fails again, we have our last step. Close it. Open your Windows setting. Go to Update and Security. Windows Security. Virus and Threat Protection. Manage on the real-time protection. And then go to Firewall and Network Protection. Turn on your firewall. Windows Defender Firewall Properties and on. Apply, OK, and then try again in the WF Downloader. Press the add, confirm, error happened again, so go to the add batch download via manual, roller mode, next, user login and click kisanime.ru, type. And I can assure you that it will work now. See, then click close, X or cancel, and then go to add URL, confirm, and it would work now. I'm just gonna fast forward. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like